Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make LED blinking from AC to 20 volt. Let's power it up. For better understand, I'll take higher value of capacitor that will make blinking slow. These all components required to make this project. First, it is important to select current limiting resistance. As I am using 47K, you can calculate ampere by using Ohm's law. I used to view by R. This is AC cycle and this is RMS voltage. As we are using diode, we have to determine the peak voltage. This is the peak voltage. So our supply voltage will be 220 multiplied by 1.44. This is 311 volt. This is the supply voltage. So ampere will be B supply minus B load over R. Our supply voltage 311 and our load will be this. That forward voltage is 0.7. Generally diode DB3 forward voltage 30 to 32, but I have got here 36 volt. So 36 forward voltage and LED forward voltage 2.5, and here total resistance 48K. So 5.6 milliampere will flow through the whole circuit, and as we are using one diode, it will clip off the negative half cycle and we will receive a fluctuating DC like this. And as you can see, this animation is showing the green bar negative half cycle is clipped off. This dot allows current when voltage is 36 volt. Let's check the voltage. When we can see when the voltage is 36, LED starts to blink, and the output voltage of this DIAC is 8.8 volt. So here is 8.8 volt and LED forward voltage is 2.5 volt. So this over voltage can damage this LED. For the sake, we have to use this resistance. Check the circuit at a glance. First, current will flow through the current limiting resistance, and this capacitor starts to charge. When the voltage rises to 36 volt, the diode starts to contact, LED starts to blink, and this 5.6 milliampere will flow through the whole circuit, and rest of ampere will take from the capacitor. Capacitor starts to discharge. As it is fluctuating DC, when the voltage drops down to 29.6 volt, the diode stops to contact, acts as an open circuit, stops to blink. Hopefully this video was informative. Please hit the like button and subscribe my channel.